Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming for you a hairstyle tutorial, and this is the hairstyle that I will be demonstrating for you all. Now this is literally such an easy hair tutorial. There is no hot tools that I've used besides these little bits here, but you don't need to do that, and literally just bobby pins, no extensions, nothing of that sort. And yeah, it's so easy guys, you could do this within 10 minutes yourselves. Stay tuned and let's just get right into this.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
So as you've guessed, this will be something that I'm going to turn into a bit of a desi look. So I'm going to just start by putting on my necklace. I absolutely love this. My mum just got this for me from India. I'm just combing through my hair, and then we will do a middle parting. I'm not going to stick with the middle parting, but just try and do it as neatly as you can. Excuse the grey hairs. I will be getting my hair coloured very, very soon. And then we're doing an ear section. So I want you to go from the top of your crown, just here, do an ear section all the way down and grab that front bit. And then do exactly the same thing on the other side. So just clip these front bits. Now what I will do is create a pony of my hair right at the top. Grab all of your hair and take it really, really high up, guys. You can do this part using a comb if you find it easier. Because this is a messy updo, you don't have to be so precise, and sometimes I feel like when I use a comb, like I'm so particular about how things are tied, etc. So this is how it's looking where you've got your pony at the top of your crown. You want to now go in and take two sections of this pony and then twist them around each other. So the next thing that you do, you've got this, you want to start teasing and pulling the hair. So just keep pulling on each of these sections. So try not to hold too tightly at the front, because you won't be able to tease and pull these sections. I haven't applied any product in my hair, but if you have super silky hair, you want to first go in with texturizing powder, otherwise you're not going to get this. Luckily my hair is quite coarse, so basically it helps when I'm doing hairstyles. So now that we've got this, we're going to wrap this around in a circle over the head. And then once we've got it to a position we're happy with, get your grip or bobby pin. So once you've done that, don't worry about any bits coming out or things feeling like they're not too secure. That's not a problem at this point. We then just need to take out these clips. You can do it one section at a time, but it does not matter. Then I'm going to go in with my middle section here. So I'm creating a section, I would say just where the tip of my eyebrow is. So I'm creating a section on both sides here and here. And what I'm going to do to this section of hair is add some texturizing spray to it. Now this will just help when we start to tease this hair. So I'm gonna go in with my comb and then just literally pull back this section of my hair. Once I've done that, I'm gonna just create a lift in my section here on top of my hair. I'm not gonna worry about how neat it is once again at this point. And then I'll literally just get a bobby pin and pop this in. Now these extra sections that are just here, I will wrap and twist this, and once again tease and pull the hair out. Just tease and pull, tease and pull. So it just gives it like a texture when you are adding this back into the hairstyle. And then I'm just literally just going to wrap this around and bobby pin it in again. Just like that. And then now we've got these sections here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to first take out some hair from this area, loosely dangling here. Once again, go in with your texturizing spray and just add some powder to this area before you tease and do your back combing. And just do this super gently. It doesn't matter how much volume you create here. And then I'm just going to grab another grip and pin this in. Same thing with this, twist it and then just pull. So you're creating texture. So guys, I've tucked away all of my hairs, and literally if you find any that you want to push away, like this one here, just tuck it in with a U-pin, and you can literally just disguise anything, and the messiness of the hairstyle actually looks good with this, so don't worry about trying to make it too neat. I've went and sort of pulled out these two little bits from my hair. I'm not going to keep it straight, so I'm going to go in with my curling iron, and I'm just gonna literally curl these bits. Whilst I wait for that to heat up a little bit, I'm just gonna pop my earrings on. This is literally such a glam look. This feels so strange, like to have the past couple of months go past and not have any sort of Asian outfit events, and obviously events have been cancelled, but you know, not dressing up like this. It's something that would be ongoing throughout the year, so I would always feel like I'm dressing up or glamming up like this, but I was honestly missing it, so I thought, why don't I just put this look together? So I put my earrings in. One of the other things I want to just quickly show you, so during lockdown I've been using this Magic Retouch hair root spray by L'Oreal, and seriously, all of these greys in my photos, if you're thinking, wait, why don't her actual photos show these? It's because I literally just go in and apply this and literally look magic. And the reason why I didn't want to go in with any form of sort of colour during lockdown is because I didn't want to ruin the colour that my stylist actually did on me. So this is now the chance to go in and lock in the hairstyle. So now I'm just going to go in with my bedhead hairspray and just secure this into my hairstyle. Obviously I'm not going to go crazy because I'm not actually going anywhere. Yeah, no, I might pop to the store like this. I'm joking, I wouldn't. How many of you have used the going shopping as an excuse to get sort of glammed up? I did it, I think, twice, and then I just couldn't be arsed. I was like, forget it. I am just going to go in my sweats, which I've been living in for the past God knows how many months. Okay, cool, guys. Well, this is it. This is the look. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this and watching me put together this look. Obviously the makeup, I haven't done the base, but I've done an eye demonstration of this look in a previous tutorial, so go and check that out. But I hope you've enjoyed putting this hairstyle together. It's so easy. I've not applied, besides the little hot tools that I used on my front parts of my hair, you don't really need it. Like, this whole hairstyle has been done simply with bobby pins and a comb and some texturizing spray and then hairspray at the end. So you can do this, guys. Go away and practice and tag me in your recreations at PuriD on Instagram, and I would love to see what you have done. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.